Hi folks. So OWOW is dedicated to providing the families and the educators out there in the public with some additional resources if you have to be at home during these tumultuous times, right? So a lot of what we're going to see today is some of the things that I do on the OWOW moment, or we're doing as experiments in OWOW. Today's experiment, and this one in particular, is going to be elephant toothpaste. It's one of the most fan favorite and friendly demonstrations that you can do with products in your own home. So what we're going to do today is we're going to use some yeast, some water, some dish soap, a little bit of food coloring, and something we use for boo-boos or cuts. So what I've done in this little container is I've taken a teaspoon of yeast, just a teaspoon. Now again, these are things you can find in your own home, and we're using yeast as the catalyst. A catalyst is something that speeds up a chemical reaction. So we want to use some warm water. I took an ounce of warm water, okay? Now, the reason why we're using warm water is it speeds up the process a little bit. Okay? Gas that the yeast is going to produce, okay? You can see me mixing it up in there. You can see it foaming up. So the warm water aids in that process. You don't want to use cold, but I would encourage you to try cold and just see what happens. See, that's part of this process, is testing things out, right? All right, so our catalyst is mixed up. Now, what are we going to mix it in? Well, one of the wonderful things that we've stocked up on in these times is water bottles. You can use a small water bottle, you can use a big water bottle. Test them out, see what happens. I've used a very small water bottle for this experiment, but you're more than welcome to use whatever you would like to use. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my peroxide. All right, I'm going to use about 2 ounces of hydrogen peroxide, 3%. Now that's 3% hydrogen peroxide, but we want to add some effect, right? Effect being in the ways of food coloring. All right, now what else do we need? So I'm going to take some dish soap. All right, now you can be as generous or not with this. I'm going to just keep loading it in because we want bubbles. Now, the reason why we're using soap is those bubbles that are created by the soap are going to catch the oxygen atom. I've got my food coloring, I've got my soap, I've got my catalyst, and I've got my hydrogen peroxide. This is a very simple demonstration of elephant toothpaste. All right, are you ready? Here we go. Now, folks, you probably don't want to do this on your kitchen table. You probably want to do it on some newspaper. I've got it on a tray. In goes the yeast. And you'll see that the process isn't as quick as normally when I've done the elephant toothpaste with 30% hydrogen peroxide. But it's actually speeding up the process. The bubbles in the soap are catching those oxygen atoms, and what's happening is it's going to filter out of the bottle here. Now, I wish it would be a little bit faster. If you notice, here it comes right out of our bottle. Wonderful experiment that you can do at home. Very educational. All right, folks, there's your lesson for the day. Catch us next time for one of these wonderful demonstrations here at OWOW with one of the other WOW Pals.